What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I just wanted to do fall vibes. I wanted to try a couple of different little techniques as far as like my base makeup goes. So let me know what you guys think of everything, let me know what you guys think. So I am going to be doing my eyes as well as my face, but I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently today. I'm going to be doing my face first, just because I really wanted to get that out of the way. But yeah, I think today's look, I think it only took me like an hour to do this full face and to film it for you guys, which is actually, filming, I feel like it makes me take just a little bit longer whenever I'm getting ready. So yeah, so literally this took me an hour to do, including like filming and everything. So I'm very pleased with it. I think everything was super simple, easy, and it looks really good. So if you're curious to see how I achieve this makeup and the products that I use to achieve this makeup, then definitely keep on watching. So first things first, I'm actually going to be taking my TooFaced Born This Way foundation and both concealers, shade Gold and shade Cloud. So we'll start with the foundation. Let me get my brushes. It's a little bit yellow toned, but I could totally fix that. I'm going to take the LA Girl mixing pigment. Literally just the tiniest amount. Can you see that? Can you see the difference between how much lighter this is than that one? And then I'll just blend it out with my sponge. Okay, so now I'm taking my TooFaced shade Golden. I'm just going to take it on this brush, and then I'll blend it in with my sponge for like a better, smoother, like blend it in. Blend it in with the sponge. But tap it down with the brush, blend it in with the sponge. Come on, girl. And then I'm going to take the TooFaced shade Cloud. And then I'll blend it all in together. Alright, and then I'm going to take the NYX Sweet Cheeks. This is the shade Baby Doll. This is their soft cheek tint. So I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. And it's very, like, true to the tube. I'm going to take this Jessup brush. Work the product into it. And apply it to my cheeks. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. And then I'll take it on this little Jessup brush. Let me make sure there's no creases. And then I'll very lightly set my concealer in place with this. And then on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to take the Flower Beauty setting powder. And I'll just set the rest of my face. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to take the Juvia's Place bronzer today. I wanted a very natural makeup today. Well, as far as my face goes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this where I applied the cream bronzer contour. Alright, and then I'm going to take the Unearthly Cosmetic, one of her single blushes. I think I'm going to take this shade right here. I think this is called Shy. Let me see. Yeah, Shy. So I'm going to take this on a big Morphe brush. And I'm just going to keep it right here. Then I want to take the Ace Beauty Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. She's so pretty. And I think I'm going to take the shade Radiant today, which is pink. Let's see. I think I'll take some of the shade Icy just on top, just for like an extra pop. I'm going to set my face with the Milani Make It Last. Girl. I would be so hot if I didn't have so much acne. Okay, let's zoom in and do the eyeballs. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be taking the Fall Magic by Unearthly Cosmetics. It is literally fall magic. So I'm going for like maroon today. So I want to take this shade right here, which is called Bonfire, which is a beautiful, beautiful maroon shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this shade all in my crease. Tell me this is the most beautiful maroon shade you've ever seen. This color has my whole heart and soul, man. That rhymed. I think my face makeup is going to match it perfectly. So, next I'm going to take the shade Cozy, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like, dusty rose. And I'm taking this on a, this is part of their neon set, the dough color neon set. This is the 01 brush. And I'm just going to start to buff this out. It's literally the main two shades I'm going to take. So that's why I took it pretty far, like I took it pretty high up. Usually I save room for blending, but since I'm going very super easy fall look, and I could just blend this right out into my makeup. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to take a really tiny, precise brush, and I'm going to take the shade Branch, which is this really deep brown. It's pretty much the deepest color in the palette. And I'm actually just gonna apply this right in my outer corner. I wanna do a little bit of brown liner, so I wanna make sure that this has something to blend into. So I'm just gonna go right in and just blend this right out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Peaches and Cream glitter glue, glitter glue. I had it right the first time. And I'll take it on my finger, and I'm going to go ahead and just tap it on my lid. Then I'll take the shade Autumn. Yes. I'm going to take some of that maroon shade and just kind of go over this. So before I do my eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and do under my eyes. So I'll take the shade Bonfire, which is the maroon, and I'll go ahead and keep this really close to that lash line. Then I'll take the shade Cozy on a little pencil brush and just make sure that this is all cohesive right here. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo White Pencil, shade Milk. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Mitchell shade Brownie Points, and I'm going to do an inner corner wing, and then I'll meet it to about right at the end. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna take these Amazon lashes. I don't even know, honestly, I don't even know what set these came from, but look how pretty those are. So here is the completed look. It's definitely giving me fall vibes. I kind of just wanted a little bit of a different like placement for my blush today, and I actually really love it. Usually, you guys know me, I usually take it into my temples, but I think it looks much more like cleaner today. Let me know what you guys think. And then if you're curious about my lip combo, I went in with the Nabi lip pencil in the shade Cappuccino, and then the Dose of Color. This is a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Flirty. It's like a dusty rose color. I went to look on their website, and I don't think they no longer sell this shade or even this component. I'll keep looking, but yeah, so this one. And then I just went in with the Unearthly Cosmetics gloss. This is the Cupid lip gloss from their Valentine's Day collection. And I just kind of put this one in the center, and I think my lips look super cute and like pouty, you know? So I feel cute, I feel good. So yes, that is going to conclude today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Oh my goodness. Definitely let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Are we here for it? And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.